So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial video, I will be showing you how to refer a friend here on at Tangerine Bank. So once the Tangerine Bank app is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right and select on where it says more. Once you're on this page right here, two options down, it says refer a friend. You guessed it, go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to the refer a friend page right here. So earn more with friends. You each get $50 when your friend joins Tangerine. It goes, if you go ahead and share your code, they have to go ahead and join an account with your orange key. Open an eligible account, deposit at least $250 within 60 days, and you can go this way. So you can go to the bottom, refer a friend here, or if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can copy your orange key referral code right here. So if you go ahead and share this with someone, you guys both get money. Depending on a successful referral. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to refer a friend on the Tangerine Bank app. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.